Let's get to the point. Now ko lang nalaman na merong 150 pesos na steak sa Fusion Alley sa Sampaloc, Manila. And dahil Year of the Horse din, first time ko rin makatikim ng tapang kabayo sa street food market na ito. By the way, pumila ko ng 1 hour to try the 150 pesos na steak. Maliit lang siya, pero in fairness, meron kang 9 slices of steak. And bagayan din natin ang expectations natin sa price. And para sa 150 pesos, the quality and softness were both okay. Pero nakukulangan lang ako sa flavor. Sayang, pero if they add a bit of salt and pepper, magiging okay na ito. And I tried a total of 8 street food carts sa Fusion Alley during this visit. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. The first cart that I always visit sa Fusion Alley is si Mocktails. Sila rin ang best location pin for Fusion Alley. Sila for me ang one of the best bars in Metro Manila. Sumikat sila for their flaming Super Saiyan drink, which you really need to try, na 150 pesos ang price. And during this visit, gusto ko mag-try ng iba. So I tried their new Heal the Heart mocktail, 100 pesos. And trinay ko na rin yung bagong food item nila, the Ebi Nasu, 250 pesos. Number 2, this Piyaya cart, 15 pesos per piece. Meron silang 4 na flavors, ube, chocolate, caramel, and mango. First off, impressive that they made the piyaya on the spot and properly cooked din siya. The ube was absolutely delicious. Number 3, this Tornado Thai Slushy. I tried the one with blue lemonade and Yakult, 100 pesos. I appreciate the uniqueness and effort to make this, pero the combo, I did not like it. Pero support small business pa rin tayo and encourage you to visit this store, pero try another combo flavor instead. Number 4, this cart, selling is scrambled with toppings, 30 pesos. Meron na siyang mallow, sprinkles, and nips. Okay sana ito, kaya lang naging overly sweet. Kasi napansin ko they put too much of this scrambled syrup. If they reduce it by half or even 3/4, they would save money and magiging masarap pa rin ito. Number 5, this cart selling green mango slices, 70 pesos. And nag-try na rin ako ng chicken feet nila, 85 pesos. Yung chicken feet naman, sorry, takot talaga ako kumain nito kasi feeling ko zombie ako. Pero to be fair, this was delicious. Number 6, this cart selling black tea with aloe vera. Iced version, 59 pesos. This was delicious. Number 7, this cart selling tapang kabayo, 210 pesos. I super respect the uniqueness of this item to help them stand out sa mga competitors nila. I found it 50% soft and 50% hard, parang massage sa spa. I like their decision to not make this overly sweet. Number 8, I super respect the steak kiosk na meron silang intention of making steak more affordable. And I also respect na yung affordability nila merong dignity, both sa quality ng meat at pagkakaluto. And the same super respect goes sa mga street food vendors dito sa Fusion Alley and sa buong Pilipinas. Click follow for the next story.